Okay, students, yesterday we discussed some problems in previous semester problems. Okay, students, today we discuss some problems in circles, previous problems. Next question. Uh, if two circles x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0, intersect at two distinct points, then so intersect at two distinct points formula mod of r1 minus r2 is less than c1 c2 is less than r1 plus r2. So intersect at two distinct points formula r1 minus r2 is less than c1 c2 is less than r1 plus r2. Okay, students, center. Okay, students, center is 1 comma 3. Circle 1, center is 1 comma 3. Second circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx. 2g is equal to minus 8. 2g is equal to minus 8. 2g is equal to minus 8. G is equal to minus 4. Next 2f5. 2f is equal to 2. F is equal to 1. Next c is equal to 8. Center is equal to formula minus g comma minus f. 4 comma minus 1. 4 comma minus 1. Next r2 is equal to root of g square and the g square ఇక్కడ 16 f square plus 1 minus c minus 8. So root 17 minus 8 root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. So next calculate, this is c1. c1 c2 is equal to root of 1 minus 4 whole square. 1 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. That is equal root of 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square 9 plus 16. Root 25 is equal to 5. Okay, students, R1 is R minus R2 is equal to 5 is less than C1 C2. C1 C2 is equal to 5. C1 C2 is equal to 5 is less than R1 plus R2. R plus R2 is equal to 3. Students, sorry, R minus 3. Students, R2 is equal to 3. R minus R2 is equal to 3. R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. R minus 3 less than C1 C2 5 less than R plus R1 R2 is equal to 5. Students, take this value R minus 3 less than 5 implies R less than 8. Okay, students, next take this value, take this value 5 less than R plus 3. Take this one left hand side, 5 minus 3, 2 less than R. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. From 1 and 2, this is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 2 less than R less than 8. So final answer is 2 less than R less than 8. 2 less than or less than 8. Okay, students, next problem. If the lines x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 lie along diameters of a circle of area 9 pi, then the equation of circle is, if the lines x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, lie along diameters of a circle of area 9 pi, then equation of circle is, point of intersection of diameters is called center. Here, point of intersection of diameters is called center. Point of intersection of diameters is called center. Solving these equations, we get center. Okay, so first point of intersection of given lines. Point of intersection 2, minus 5, 1, 2. Second line minus 3. First y coordinate to start cheyali. Minus 3, 4. Minus 3, 4, 2, minus 3. 2, minus 5, 1, 2. Second equation minus 3, 4, 2, minus 3. X by y by 1 by x by AD minus BC. 8 minus 5 3s are 15. Y by AD minus BC minus 10 minus 4. 1 by minus 3 minus 4. AD minus BC. X by minus 7. is equal to y by minus 14 is equal 1 by minus 7. So x is equal to x comma y is equal to minus 7 by minus 7, 1, 1. Y is equal minus 14 by minus 7 is equal to 2. So center is 1 comma 2. Center is 1 comma 2. Okay, students, center is xy is equal to minus 7 by minus 7, 1. Minus 14 by minus 7 is equal to 2. Center is 1 comma 2. Okay, students, center is 1 comma 2. Next, calculate radius. Here, area of the circle is equal to 9 pi. Area is equal to 9 pi. So area of the circle formula pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 9 pi. Pi get cancelled. R square is equal to 9. Okay, students, center 1 comma 2. R square is equal to 9. Radius is 3. Radius is 3. Radius is 3. Radius is 3. Center 1 comma 2. Center 1 comma 2. Radius. Okay, students, radius is 3. So equation of circle is, okay, students, equation of circle is center 1 comma 2. Circle equation formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is h comma k. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal r square is 9. X minus 1 whole square x square a square plus b square minus 2ab. Y minus 2 whole square y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 9. So circle equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 9. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, students, next question. Find the equation of the circle that touches the y-axis and at a distance 4 units from the origin and cuts off an intercept 6 units on y-axis. Length of x-intercept is 6 and it touches y-axis. Touches y-axis, intersect y-axis. Okay, students, touches y-axis. Intersect x-axis of length 6 units. So total 6 units. This is 3 here, 3. This is origin. Okay, students. Touches y-axis at a distance 4 units from the origin. This distance is 4. This is 4. Okay, students. Touches y-axis. What is radius? Touches y-axis. Radius is equal to center of x coordinates. Okay, students. Here x coordinates and this is radius. Okay, students. This is radius. Okay, students. This is 4. So this is 4. Okay, students. Here joining this one. Suppose this is C. Suppose this is P. This is Q. Students, here angle is 90 degrees. So 3, 4. This is 5, students. This is hypotenuse 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4. This is 5. So radius is 5. Okay, students. This is also radius. This is 5. Okay, students. X coordinate 5, Y coordinate 4. So center 5, comma 4. Okay, students. This is X coordinate is 5, Y coordinate 4. Center is 5, comma 4. Center 5, comma 4. What is radius, students? Radius also 5. Radius is also 5. Circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. R square is 5 square. 5 square. X minus h, okay, students. X minus formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 5 square. X minus 5 whole square, x square plus 5 square 25 minus 2 will be 10x. Y square plus 16 minus 8y is equal to 25. 25 get cancelled. X square minus 10x x square plus y square minus 10x minus 8y. Okay, students, plus 16 is equal to 0. Plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, students, next problem. The equation of circle of radius 5 units touching the circle externally, touching the circle, touching the students, touching another circle, touching the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to at 5 comma 5. The equation of circle of radius 5, radius is 5, touching another circle. This is the second circle. This point is 5 comma 5. This point is 5 comma 5. So calculate circle 1. This is C1. Here radius is 5. This is 5. What is center of second circle and radius? Here 2g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal minus 4. C is equal minus 20. So okay, student, g is equal minus 1. F is equal minus 2. C is equal minus 20. Center formula minus g comma minus f. That is equal to 1 comma 2. Radius is equal formula root of g square plus f square minus c. That is equal to root of g square minus 1 whole square 1. F square minus 2 whole square 4. C minus c plus 20. This is root 25 5. Okay, student, this is 5. Now what is C2? C2 is equal to 1 comma 2. So C1 C2 divides R1 is to R2. 5 is to 5. Okay, student, C1 H comma K. This is P, this is C2, 1 comma 2. 5 is to 5 means R1 is to R2. C1 C2 divides in the ratio R1 is to R2. 5 is to 5 means 1 is to 1. This is 5 comma 5. Okay, students, 5 comma 5 is equal to apply section formula. This is M is to N, this is X1 Y1, this is X2 Y2. Formula MX2 plus NX1 by M plus N, comma. Okay, students, apply section formula. 5 comma 5 is equal to section formula. This is M is to N. This is X1 Y1. This point is X2 Y2. MX2 formula. MX2 1 into 1 plus. Then the value multiply. Then the first value. Okay, students, 1 into 1 plus 1 into H by M plus N. What is M plus N? 1 plus 1, 2, comma, M Y2, 1 into 2 plus N Y1, 1 into K by M plus N, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, students, 5 is equal to 1 plus H by 2. Okay, students, cross multiply. 10 is equal to 1 plus H. H is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. Next, students, 5 is equal to 2 plus K by 2. 2 plus K is equal to 10. K is equal to 10 minus 2, 8. So center of first circle is 9 comma 8. Radius is 5. Center 9 comma 8. Radius is 5. Okay, students. Center is 9 comma 8. Radius 5. Circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here r is 5. 5 square. X minus 9 whole square x square plus 9 square 81 2ab minus 18x y minus 8 whole square y square plus 64 minus 16y is equal to 25. Okay, students, x square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y. 81 plus 64 minus 25. What is 81, 64, 5? 8, 6 are 14, 145. So 145 minus 20 plus 120 is equal to 0. Okay, students, next the equation of circle concentric circle. concentric circles, two circles have same center and different radii is called concentric circles. So center is same, but radius is different. Here, area is and having the equation of circle concentric with the circle and having area that is twice the area of the given circle. So area is twice the given circle. First area of this circle is called pi r square, twice the area. Okay, students. 2gx, okay students, 2gx is equal to 2g is equal to minus 6, 2f is equal to 12, c is equal to 15, g value minus 3, f value 6, c value 15. First calculate radius. Radius is equal to formula g square plus f square minus c. That is equal to minus 3 whole square, 9 plus 36 minus 15. 36 plus 9 root 40, 45 minus 15 root 30. Okay students, area of circle is equal to pi r square, that is equal pi into r square is equal 30, but and having area that is twice the area of the given circle, twice the given twice the area that is twice the area of the given circle. So area of given circle is 30 pi, but twice the area of the given circle, twice means 60 pi. Okay students, 60 pi is equal to area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Okay students, pi get cancelled, r square is equal to 60. R square is equal to 60. So